Machini kero nyakora mga juangero kamano kumedo kete mana kae Ramogi TV koro twaseto ni mago motimore e koro gwenge kate counties mopogore opogore mapacho ka wachao kod county ma Nairobi kama governor ma county ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja notimo limbe ma apoya hospital Mama Malusi.
Sakaja Ramogi midhiero ma jotuo kadho e hospital no koriwo koda ka mine matiyo go tanda chiel ka gidhi konyore.
Bende noyudo ka thoth lakteche onge nochune golo chik ne nurses mondo miyo kony miyo manori korem yudo tanda kata mana bang' nyuol.
First of all, on behalf of the government of Nairobi, I want to apologize to the people of Nairobi. I think we've not been serving you well. There's a lot that is left to be desired here. We are finding mothers sharing beds after giving birth. There's a lady we found who had just given birth and she's sitting on a bench. We're out of capacity here. There's need for expansion and need for our other facilities to be working. There are those who've been discharged and are not able to go. I have ordered that they all be released from the hospital. That they all go.